Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off eye comfort mode in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first we need to open our phone's settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down to the display and brightness menu. Next we need to scroll down again to the eye comfort and sleep menu. And here we have our eye comforts options. So we have a bedtime mode here with the switch. We have the AI eye comfort right here. And here we have the classic eye comfort option available. We can also set up a schedule for it. We can change the screen temperature and we can even change the paper texture right here, and we can add other effects. And that's all. Goodbye.